Attention realtors. Want to make a lasting first impression? Picture this. A potential buyer walks into a home and is immediately captivated. How? With TidyTex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service right here in San Antonio, we specialize in making homes shine before open houses and buyer visits. Our dedicated team understands the importance of quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring your listings stand out in a crowded market. Imagine cutting down the time it takes to close a deal, all thanks to a pristine home. We help improve property showings, allowing buyers to envision themselves in their new space. Plus, here's a quick tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. It transforms the space, making it feel welcoming and bright. A well-lit home showcases its best features and makes buyers feel at ease. With TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service. You're investing in a strategy to elevate your listings and impress potential buyers. Ready to elevate your listings? Contact TidyTex today for reliable, professional cleaning services that will help you impress buyers and close deals faster. Check the video description for more details and contact us today.